Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll talk about what is the meaning of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process, it is process that found in plants, only in green plants. So what is the meaning of photosynthesis process? It is the process through which the green plants and specific the green parts of the plants, which called leaves. What will happen? Leaves will absorb sunlight to make their own food. So when we want to talk about photosynthesis process, we must know that it is a process found only in plants. And this happened in green parts of plants. What is the green parts of plants? It is leaves. So true or false? Plants can make photosynthesis by roots. It will be wrong. Plants can make photosynthesis process by stem. True or false? Who can know? Yes, if stem is green, he can make photosynthesis. But what about of stem which is not green? He cannot make photosynthesis. So we can say if we have green parts of plant, we can make photosynthesis. How can we make photosynthesis? At the first step, plant will absorb sunlight from sun. When he absorbs this sunlight, now he is ready to make their own food. So let us say, how can plants make this photosynthesis? What are the steps needed to make photosynthesis? Plant can easily make own food through process called photosynthesis. In which parts plants can make this photosynthesis? Who can say? Yes, excellent. By green parts of this plants like leaves. So what are the steps that plants can make photosynthesis? The first step will be, and we will start in green plants. What you will do if you ask green plants, what you will do to make photosynthesis? Plants will say, I will use my leaves to collect sunlight. So this is the first step. And then I will collect carbon dioxide from air. So green plants need two things, need sun to give plants some sunlight and need air to absorb carbon dioxide. So if you ask any plant what you absorb from outside, plants will say, I need sunlight. What else? I need carbon dioxide also. This come from sunlight will come from sun, and carbon dioxide will come from air. Then I will make my root absorb water from the soil. Now, what you have, if you ask a plant, what you have to make photosynthesis, he will say, I have sunlight, I have carbon dioxide, and also I have water. So if you have this all, you have sunlight, you have carbon dioxide, you have also water, what you will make? Who can predict what will happen? Yes, inside green plants, which have sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, like represented in this shape, sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water will make photosynthesis. Yes, plants will make photosynthesis process to give us oxygen and also sugar. So what is the products of photosynthesis after combining carbon dioxide with water with sunlight? What will happen? Now we will get oxygen and sugar. Oxygen will release in air to help living organisms breathe. So can we live without oxygen? No. So can we live without plants? No. So plants is very important for us. Why? Because it gives us oxygen. to make respiration. And also, plants give us sugar. Who know type of plants that give us sugar? Who know? Who can predict? Yes, grape. What else? Fruits. Excellent. So when plant make sugar, this sugar is the food of plant. So if you ask plant, now you are standing with this plant. Who ready to ask this plant? Okay. If you ask this plant why you make photosynthesis, he will say, I make oxygen for you. And what else? I make sugar for me. So what is the sugar for plant is the food of plant, which give plant energy. So anyone, when he eat any food, if you ask anyone why you eat food, he will say to give me energy. Also plant, when he making food, he make this food to get energy to grow. So we can summarize that. We say, what is the photosynthesis process? Who can say? Who still remember? Yes, plant will absorb sunlight from sun and carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. Then what will happen? Now he is ready to make oxygen and sugar. Why plant make sugar? To make us breathe. And why he make sugar? To give, because sugar is the plant food, and also to give it energy to grow. And we'll talk in our next video. How can plant absorb sunlight? How can plant absorb carbon dioxide? How can plant get this water? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? How can plant absorb sunlight? Yes, by chlorophyll found in leaves. And how can plants absorb carbon dioxide? Yes, by stomata. And how can plants absorb water? By root. Excellent. Now, this all will collect in leaves of plant, then we will make photosynthesis. In our next session, inshallah, we will talk about how can we absorb water from soil, absorb carbon dioxide from air, sunlight from sun. See you later. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.